Hello guys, it's another day, another makeup tutorial. In this video I use caramel lotion on the center of my face and a hydrating primer on the sides of my face, and then I go in with Maybelline Superstay Luminous foundation. This foundation is so good. Just look at that coverage. Then I proceed to contour my face using Essence Cosmetics Baby God Bronze Contour Stick and the Essence Baby God Blush. This is to add warmth and structure to my face. I also like to contour even my eyelids. Guys, this really helps with hooded eyes. Try this if you have hooded eyes to shed that extra skin. Look at my eyes, they look different. So contouring, you shade what you don't want it to be more visible, whereas highlighting, you bring out the structure that you want it to be more visible. That is just the theory. And what I use to highlight is this Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. I just apply it points where light fall on, and I add a bit of lighter shade on the inner corners of my eyelid. This one is from L'Oreal Paris. That is just me blending it. Take time to blend. Like, blending is key. Blending, we need more blending than I'm using a powder puff to blend, and it always do the job for me. You can as well use a damp beauty blender. Like, you soak the beauty blender in water completely and you squeeze it, then use it to blend. It will also give you very smooth finish. Now this is me setting my under eyes with a mattifying powder. I go in with Essence Banana Loose Setting Powder. The way I do this, I always make sure that I blend my under eyes again before I go in with the powders to avoid creasing, and I always get my under eyes looking flawless. While applying the powders, use a completely different powder puff or a brush, just anything that works well for you. So now I'm just gonna place some of this powder here for it to bake while I do my eyebrows and eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going in with this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Just fill it in. It's very simple. Yeah, doing my eyebrows at this point is always very simple for me than doing it before face work. And then I use a little bit of that camouflage matte concealer to just clean it, and I go in with my eyeshadow. I like using darker shades on the outermost corners and then brighten up the inner corners with more concealer. Then I pop like a brighter shade on the inner corners. That's me blending that out, just making sure that everything is evenly blended. And now I go in with my eyeliner. This eyeliner, I got it from Shein and I love it. And I smoke it out a little bit with my brush just to make it blend in with that eyeshadow. Just look at that eye look. And then I'm gonna go in with this mascara that I got it from Shein. It's waterproof and so good. Then it's time to take off the excess powder that I placed under my eyes to bake for some time. I use the mattifying powder to dust it off with using this brush, and then I just set the rest of my face with powder and touch up some mascara on my lower lashes, add some blush from Wet n Wild, and yeah, this is me just setting my face with the Fit Me setting powder. And then add a little bit of glow on the bridge of my nose and on my cheeks, and then I line my lips using this pencil from Wet n Wild. It does the job for me. And add some nude lipstick. Nude lipstick is the go-to. And then some smudge lip gloss and spray my face with this Maybelline fixing spray. And this is me. Bye.